In this video, we are going to learn arrow functions, their syntax, parameters, and return statements. Let's get started. Let's first define a regular function and name it print. We will only print a simple statement inside this function. To write an equivalent arrow function, we put arrow as equal and greater than sign. Before the arrow sign, we add parentheses. After the arrow sign, we add curly braces. Curly braces contain the function body. Arrow function is also treated as an object in the JavaScript, so we can assign it to a variable or constant. And we can use it to call the function just as we call the regular function. Let's add a console.log statement to the function body. Also, let's rename the constant that holds our arrow function as printArrow to distinguish it from the regular print function. Let's run the code to confirm that the arrow function works just as the regular function. I am removing the regular function so that we can just focus on the arrow function now. Parentheses contain the parameters in the arrow function. Let's define a parameter message here. We can use it to print its value. When we run the code and pass the value hello, it gets printed inside. A good thing about arrow function syntax is that when we have only one statement in the function body, we can remove the curly braces. And we can also remove the parentheses if we have only one parameter. We can define two parameters here, message1 and message2, and use them to print their values. As another example, let's take two integers, a and b, and return their sum. When we have a single statement in the arrow function body and it's supposed to return a value, we don't write the return keyword. It by default returns the evaluated value. To confirm, let's pass 12 and 20 and print the return value. See, we got 32. Let's now check the final scenario where we have multiple statements in the function body. We have to add the curly braces. Let's add the two parameters, save their sum to a third variable. Print its value to the console and then return it. Parameters in the arrow function can also have default values. So, when we call the function without any parameters, we get the sum of the default values. Hope you liked the content. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to support our channel. Thanks for being part of our journey.